I am so excited for this video today. But first off, I have to apologize for my setup. You're probably hearing quite a bit of echo here, right? Because the room's fairly empty. I just completed my move. Well, I still got a little bit left in it. But anyways, my setup is pretty much bare here. I got it set just to film videos, but at least I am going TechTuber Pro because I got my plant set up. But other than my current situation, what I have to share with you guys today is so stinking excited. Let me just pull them out here. Astro A40 TRs and the Astro A50 Gen 4s. No, unfortunately, we do not have a refresh here. We all would love one, but we don't have one. But what I'm gonna share with you today is gonna make these headsets pretty much a complete different experience. And that's with the help from Wicked Cushion, because now they have their Cool & Gel ear cushions for the A50 Gen 4s and the A40 TRs. Holy smokes, wait till you see them. So we're all used to the Astro headsets. The A40 TRs over here, flip them over, you see you got your standard cushions. The A50s, pretty much the exact same ear cushions here. Bam, they magnetize on just like that. And as you see, they got the magnetized bracket sitting right there. Now, one thing, why again we have the A40s and the A50s talking Gen 4s is Astro switches around their magnets so you can't just flop on different ear pads. As you see, the A50 ones will not fit in there, same with the A40s. Now with Wicked Cushions here, as you see, we do have our designs and our patterns, but yes, it's gonna be the same. The A50s are gonna fit on the A50 Gen 4s, not on the TR. So again, you got to make sure whenever you order them that you order the ones for them. So anyways, let's go and pop off this ear cushion on the A40 TR. As you see, bam, it slaps on there. So just for example, I'm going to take off the A50. Let's go and take that same cushion we just put on the A40s, slap them on. Well, they're not going to stick. Again, the magnets are reversed, so they will not fit. So my point here is, again, make sure you order the correct cushion for your headset. They're not gonna be universal because, again, Astro flip-flops their magnets. Now let's go and take a second to just look at these pads. In the right hand is the stock pad, and the left hand is the Wicked Cushions cooling gel here. So when you just look at the size, like you can just tell it, but even other than the size, guys, what I wanna show you is the density, and again, how they form to your head. So you see me touch the Astro one over here, it just pretty much bounces right up, cloth inside and out, kind of feels like a pillow. Coming over here to the Wicked Cushion, bam, you can see it just takes its time to come back up. So you got that memory foam that's just gonna form to your head shape right there. And yes, they are the cooling gels. So these are always gonna be a few degrees cooler than your room temperature, hence them being cooling gel. Now, one thing I stated even in my recent video is do not store your headset near some lights or near your PC or near your consoles, TV, so on and so forth. In other words, don't hang your headset next to a heat source because that cooling gel is going to again absorb that heat. So when then you put it on, you're like, wait a minute, these aren't cooling. So again, just don't store them next to a heat source. And yeah, as you saw, Wicked Cushions recreated the exact same bracket that you have on these stock pads. So you just take it, plop it down, and it magnetizes onto your headset. On there solid. You have that exact same fit where it curves down right here on the back of the ear pad. Bam, flops down. Again, that is also the exact same on the A40s. And again, they're on there solid, and it's simple to just change them. You just take your pad, flop them down, just get jazzy and create your headset how you want. So I'm sure you're catching my vibe here, right? The style, the build, the simplicity of installation, absolutely amazing. But the number one key point here, guys, is the comfort. When you take these and put them on your head, it is a completely different headset. No joke. Let me go on here to A40s. We still got the stock ones on here, right? Putting them on, it's almost like, how can you go without it? It's like, you feel like you got one of them old rugged t-shirts on, right? You come over here and put these on, it's like, no joke, no exaggeration. It is a completely different experience. So I'm not one to really sit here and say, hey, you need a product, you know what I mean? I always give you the pros, the cons, talk about it, let you decipher, hey, what you think, and I'll give you my feedback if I like it or not. But no joke, right here, with the Wicked Cushions for the A40 TRs and the A50 Gen 4s, if you have either of these headsets, you need these. No fluff, no shenanigans. These are game changer, right? Especially with the Astro headsets, because you couldn't get these regular old ear cushions, just twist them on like we do with a lot of other headsets, right? You needed that bracket, you needed those magnets, you needed them set on right there. Astro has their modification kit, which is garbage. You can't even compare it to this. This is game changing. It will transform your headset to a completely different experience. This is no fluff, guys. If you have either of these headsets, you need these. So make sure to go check out the links right down in the description. If you click on that link, you also get a special coupon code for you right there. Please let me know down in the comments what you think about these once you get them. Again, guys, these have me absolutely giddy. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Hope I was able to help you out. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you love your Wicked cushions. If you do, hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And again, we have some other awesome new releases from Wicked Cushions coming up soon.